Welcome to Money Masters, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. Today's video will talk about exploring frugal living without sacrificing joy. Imagine a life where simplicity sparks joy, and mindful spending become a cornerstone of a delightful existence. Welcome to the charming world of conscious spending where every penny counts, but joy knows no bounds. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert advice and money saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become a money masters? Let's go!
Living frugally without sacrificing joy is absolutely achievable. The essence of frugal living is about maximizing value, not just minimizing cost. It involves recognizing and appreciating abundance in simple, sustainable ways. Here's a guide to exploring frugal living without losing the joy. Mindset shift. Value experiences over things. Prioritize experiences, like time with loved ones, nature walks, or learning new skills over accumulating possessions. Gratitude practice, regularly acknowledging and being thankful for what you have helps to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Budgeting and finance. Budget wisely. Create a budget that accounts for needs, some wants, savings, and emergency funds. Financial literacy, understanding how to manage, invest, and save money can lead to financial freedom, even on a smaller income. Food and cooking. Meal planning. Plan meals to minimize waste, ensure variety, and optimize nutrition. Cook at home. Homemade meals are generally healthier and more cost-effective than eating out. Gardening. Grow your own veggies, fruits, and herbs for fresh, inexpensive produce. Travel and leisure. Local adventures. Explore local parks, trails, and free community events instead of pricey tourist spots. Budget travel. Opt for off-peak travel, use public transportation, and choose affordable accommodations. Shopping and consumables. Buy second-hand. Choose pre-loved items where possible, clothes, books, furniture, etc. Quality over quantity. Invest in durable goods that may have a higher initial cost but will save money in the long run. Socializing and gifts. Gift experiences. Offer experiences, like a day out or a homemade dinner, instead of physical gifts. Potluck gatherings. Host potluck-style get-togethers where everyone brings a dish to share. Minimalism. Declutter. Release items that no longer serve you. Sell, donate, or repurpose them. Mindful consumption. Be conscious of needs versus wants when making purchases. Energy and sustainability. Energy efficiency. Implement energy-saving practices and devices to lower utility costs. Sustainable living. Adopt practices like composting and recycling to minimize waste and possibly save money. Health and wellness. Home workouts. Use online resources for home workouts instead of gym memberships. Mindfulness and meditation. Engage in mindfulness practices at home for mental well-being. DIY and crafts. DIY projects. From home decor to gifts, create instead of purchase. Repair and upcycle. Learn basic repair skills to prolong the life of your belongings. Education and career. Online courses. Utilize free or affordable online learning platforms. Skill swap. Exchange skills with friends or community members instead of hiring professionals. Living frugally does not mean living without joy, it means finding joy in the simpler, sustainable aspects of life. Understanding what truly matters to you will help you navigate through your frugal living journey without feeling deprived or dissatisfied. It's about cherishing moments, cultivating relationships, and nurturing personal growth while being mindful of your resources and the environment. Community and networking. Join a frugal living group. Connecting with like-minded individuals can offer support, ideas, and swap opportunities. Local barter systems. Engage in or establish a community barter system to exchange goods and services without monetary transactions. Hobby and creativity. Affordable hobbies. Identify hobbies that are low cost or free, such as hiking, reading, or volunteering. Crafting. Utilize inexpensive or recycled materials for crafting and art projects. Home and living. Minimalist home decor. Choose minimalist, functional, and timeless decor to avoid frequent redecorations. DIY cleaning products. Make your own cleaning products with basic, economical ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Time management. Effective time management. Ensure that your time is being utilized in a manner that adds value and joy to your life. Automate savings. Automate financial transactions to effortlessly manage savings and bills. Personal development. Invest in yourself. Allocate resources towards personal development and learning that can enhance your quality of life and/or career. Self-care on a budget. Find frugal ways to indulge in self-care, such as homemade spa treatments and mindfulness exercises. Communication and relationships. Communication. Maintain open and honest communication with loved ones about your financial goals and lifestyle choices. Quality time. Focus on spending quality, undistracted time with loved ones without the need for extravagant expenses. Transportation. Public transport. Optimize the use of public transport or consider carpooling to save on transportation costs. Biking. If possible, use a bicycle for local commuting to save money and stay healthy. Wardrobe and style. Capsule wardrobe. Develop a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. DIY alterations. Learn basic sewing skills to alter and mend clothing, extending their lifespan. Technology and entertainment. Free entertainment. Leverage free online resources, like libraries, podcasts, and public broadcasts for entertainment. Smart tech use. Use technology wisely, investing in gadgets or apps that genuinely make life easier or more efficient without overindulging. Environmental consciousness. Zero waste lifestyle. Adopt a zero waste lifestyle to reduce consumption and potentially save money. Use natural resources. Maximize the use of natural light and air to save on energy costs. Volunteering and social service. Volunteer. Engage in volunteering opportunities, which can be rewarding and foster a sense of community. Support local businesses. When possible, support local businesses and farmers to sustain your local economy in a cost-effective manner. Embracing joy and simplicity. Savor small moments. Find joy in simple, everyday moments. Nature engagement. Spending time in nature can be a free and enriching experience. Embracing a frugal lifestyle with joy involves intertwining mindful spending with an appreciative attitude towards life's simple and accessible pleasures. Balancing your physical, emotional, and financial well-being allows you to live abundantly, appreciating what you have while also being resourceful and strategic with your resources. A mindset shift, particularly regarding frugality and joy, plays a pivotal role in crafting a life that is both economically and emotionally satisfying.
Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of the money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your own financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, I'm Eileen, signing off, wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video!